Good morning, everybody. We are at Walmart, and I am excited to start the year off doing great. So Ibotta has a lot of great deals that we're gonna do. Some swag buck deals, some shop kick deals. Another thing I am excited to shop for is clearance. Now, I heard Walmart is 70% off. I have a feeling, today is Thursday, I have a feeling it's gonna either happen Friday, Saturday, Sunday, or Monday that it's gonna hit 90% off. Last year it was January 9th. I'm thinking maybe January 8th. We will see, but you will definitely see me be posting some videos because that's what I love, is 90% off shopping. Because number one, if it's still there when it's 90% off, then it's that. Plus I love getting clothes. Not a lot of people think of Christmas clothes for, you know, kids. I always buy way ahead for my kids. So just saying. But yeah, we're gonna go inside and have some fun shopping at Walmart. So let's go inside and have some fun. The Colgate Optic White Renewal is $7.96. You're going to pay $7.96, but you can submit your receipt to the Shopkick app or the Shopium app or Amazon, up to your discretion, but you can submit your receipt for the $4 rebate with that. And then we have a $4 Ibotta rebate that you guys can get, making this a 4-cent moneymaker. The Colgate plaque is $7.96. You will pay $7.96, but here you can submit your receipt for $5 back with the Ibotta app, and you can submit your receipt up to your discretion for $5 back with a Shopium, Shopkick, or Amazon Alexa app, where this ends up becoming a $2.04 moneymaker. Another freebie is the Colgate Max. Any of them that are $3.96. You'll buy 2 of them, you'll pay $7.92. But here you can submit, again, to your discretion, $4 off of 2 with the Shopium app or Shopkick app. Then you can also get $2 or $4 back when you purchase the 2 with the Ibotta app, making this an 8-cent moneymaker. We are now in the travel area. Here we have the Gillette razor for $2.47. There is a Ibotta rebate for $3 back, making this a 53-cent moneymaker. Now, as long as it scans, you guys should get your money for it. So they put that UPC in the system for it to work. Then we have the Old Spice body wash for $1.97. You're gonna buy 3 of them, you will pay $5.91, but then you'll get a $5 back when you purchase the 3, making these just 91 cents or 30 cents each. Then we have the Olay body wash, again, $1.97. You will end up paying $5.91, but then you get that 5 off of 3, making them 90 cents or just 30 cents each. These are perfect for traveling. I'm just saying, they're perfect for traveling. So here we have the Kotex for $3.14. Now, if you go to the website of Walmart, it does show, my store shows that I scanned it and it showed it was $2.97. So you could do this deal and see if they could price match it, but otherwise we're gonna do the $3.14 price. You're gonna get 2 of them, pay $6.28, up to your discretion, but you can submit to the Shopium app for $2 off of 2. Then you guys can submit your receipt to the Shopkick app, where you get 315 kicks for purchasing and scanning. Then you also get $1 back times 2 with Ibotta, making this just $1.02 or 51 cents each, which is an awesome deal. So we have this Vaseline for just $5.98. You'd pay $5.98 for it, but then there is a $2 Ibotta rebate, and you can submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, where you get $2 back, making this just $1.98. I actually kind of like this lotion because it makes my hands feel very soft. So $1.98 if you guys like that. So here's a great deal. I ended up getting this Olay collagen peptide for $11.94. My store had to make me purchase it because they have this stuff all locked up. But you will pay $11.94 for it. But there is an Ibotta deal where you get $4 back when you purchase one of the retinol products. And I did scan it and it works. And then you also get 1,510 kicks, which is $6.04 when you purchase this through the Shopkick app, making this just $1.93, which I think is an awesome deal for $1.93. Here we have the Bounty Essentials for $8.97. They're pretty big rolls. It says there's technically 12 in here, but we currently have a $4 Ibotta rebate. It is a limit of 1 though, but you'll get this for just $4.97. That is less than $1 per roll, which I think is a pretty great deal. The Bounty ones are a little bit more money, but if you guys are, it is Bounty, it's just a cheaper version, but they're okay. But here these are like $16.94. We have this one that is, again, $16.94, and then they get bigger. But we have this one up here. These look like these to be $11.77, but still, awesome deal if you guys need some paper towels. Mr. Clean. So we have the Mr. Clean Clean Freak for just $3.94, or you can get the floor cleaner, whatever this is, for $3.94. You can buy 2 of them. You will pay $7.98 or $7.88 for it. But we do have a $4 off of 2 Ibotta rebate, where you'll get these for $3.88 or just $1.94 each. Or you can get the Mr. Clean, the 2 pads erasers for $3.24. You will pay just $6.48. Use that 4 off of 2, making it just $2.48 or $1.24. Which is a pretty decent deal for those. It's been months since my store has priced these. I have to like go in the Walmart app and I price check it and it doesn't show me, so I have to do the scan and go for it to show up in my phone. But these are $1.98. You're gonna buy 3 of them. You will pay just $5.94 for the 3 of them. You will get bonus points when you do the fetch rewards. Like I have it if I spend 25 or if I spend 12 on certain brands, I will get some bonus points for that. Then another one if I spend 30. So I just want to give you guys a heads up with that. But we currently have a buy 3, you get $1 off with Ibotta. Then with the Shopium app, you also get $1 off of 2. So you're gonna buy 3 of them, pay $5.96, get those $2 off of those. $2 off of 3 ends up becoming just $3.94 or $1.31. And I like this because it actually comes out cheaper than buying these ones. So just giving you guys a heads up if you want some Grand's biscuits. So the Dr. Pepper has a really great deal on the swag bucks. Now it says 0 sugar, but when you scan down below, it doesn't say it has to be 0 sugar. Dr. Pepper is included. So I'm gonna show you guys 2 different scenarios for this. So we have the bottles of pop or soda. My store has these for $3.47 for a 6-pack, which is actually a pretty decent deal. You're gonna buy 2 of those, you will pay $6.94. But you will get $3.50 back with swag bucks, making this just $3.44 or just $1.72 a pack. So that's a great deal for that. Otherwise, you can go and get the individual bottles. My store has these for $1.46. You will buy 2 of them. You will pay $2.92. But again, you can get $3.50 back with swag bucks, making it a 58-cent moneymaker for 2 of these. You can do this deal twice a week. So I'm actually gonna get 2 of the bottles and then I'm getting 2 of the 6-packs because my husband likes Dr. Pepper and we're gonna stock up on Dr. Pepper. Here we have the Chi-Chi's flour. I found some stuff that's expired. That's nice. $1.68 for the Chi-Chi's flour tortilla. You will end up getting them for $1.68, but then Ibotta has a 50-cent Ibotta rebate, making these just $1.28, which is a pretty decent deal if you guys need some taco. But make sure you guys are checking the dates because this expired 2 months ago. So yeah. Here we have the Hellmann's mayo. So the squeeze ones are 20 ounces for $5.48, but then we have the regular jars for 30 ounces, so you get more for the jars, but they are $5.48. Then there is a $1.50 Ibotta rebate, making it just $3.98. My husband is very particular on his mayo, so I'm getting him the Hellmann's for $3.98. I know you could probably get some other ones cheaper, but that's what he wants. The light one, the light is 30 ounces and it says it's $5.48 also. They have that in the wrong spot. But if you guys need some mayo, there you go. Hello everybody, I am back from Walmart. So, looking all throughout the clearance, I was like so excited for clearance. My store hardly had any clearance. It was crazy. My Christmas stuff at my store, like there was nothing that was even worth considering. But I always get my Christmas stuff at a different location, at a different Walmart that I normally shop, that I don't really coupon at because I've had problems at that store. But that store I always find tons of hidden clearance. This store, like they're right on all the time getting stuff, you know, organized. So like all the clearance in my store was all in one spot, but I didn't really find anything worth it, and that is okay because my thing is if it was there when it's that price, that is. But I did get one ornament. I got a Stranger Things like VHS tape ornament because I love that show. So yeah, and I know last year those were not 90% off, so I ended up just getting it because I'm like, I know it's gonna be it. So I got it for like $2.70 something cents, which I'm like, yes. But let's just kick in and I can share with you guys what I got at Walmart. Now, please keep in mind, everybody is in a different financial situation. I get so many messages where people are like, you know, thanking me for helping them. There's people that are just hardly getting by and they need some of those items that I share. So when I say it is up to your discretion, it's up to you if you guys want to use the Shoppium app. It is up to you if you want to use the Swagbucks app for the coupons, or there is the Alexa thing. I know a lot of people do those. Like I've seen a lot of YouTubers still submit the receipts. Some choose not to, but some do. And I've seen a lot of things on Instagram and in these groups that I'm in. So like I said, it's up to your discretion if you guys want to do it. But you know, times are hard. Sometimes you don't even know if the person is hurting. Like, you know, they might put on a brave face, but you don't know how they are. So when I do these deals, you know, Walmart, some of the deals do say that you cannot use a coupon or stuff. I will not use a physical coupon. I will not click on those boxes with the Walmart thing. But I do submit my receipt to the Shoppium app and I haven't had a problem. Now, eventually it will catch up on everybody because I got locked out of my Ibotta app a couple of weeks ago. I already told you guys this, but they said that I cannot do like Walmart and Ibotta, and I stopped doing it way before I even got the email. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up. Like eventually it will catch up, but right now we're just gonna keep doing it because I hate how Ibotta is considered coupon deals now instead of rebates. So, but everybody's in a different financial situation, and I love to help you guys. Now, another thing is Ibotta. Some of those items do say trial travel size do not work. As long as it scans, you should be fine. They put that UPC code in there in the first place. Eventually, it will not work, but for now, as long as it scans fine, you guys are entitled to get it. Like, okay. But let's just dig in. I got everything that I shared with you guys. Everything scanned fine. I'm pretty excited. Like paper towels, I have a lot of paper towels, but you still can't pass up a deal like that, considering those are about double the size of what I usually get at Walgreens. So that was for like for $4.97. I think that's a pretty decent deal, but everybody needs different things. But yeah, the Dr. Pepper my husband is super excited for. I sent him a picture and I got, you know, 2 of the 6-packs and then I got 2 of the regulars. So he was pretty excited with that. So my total came to $100.74. Now I always use my gift cards when I purchase my stuff at Walmart. I never really pay out of my own pocket. I'm always rolling my Ibotta gift cards. I'm always rolling my Swagbuck gift cards and even Shopkicks. Those are the 3 gift cards that you guys can get instantly while you're at the store. So just giving you guys a heads up with that. It's great. And then, so I never really pay. I always just keep on rolling because that's just what I love to do. So I don't ever use my own money. I'm trying to figure out other ways to help you guys save money. Like I do a lot of challenges, but I am going to come up with some like other things to help you guys save some money. Like there's some app videos that I want to make and all that stuff. But yeah. Shopium, I did receive $16 back. And Shopium, they send it automatically to my PayPal account, which is awesome. Shopkicks, I did receive, or I forgot, Ibotta, I did receive $45. $45 for Ibotta. Shopkicks, I received 1,835 points, which is $7.34. With Swagbucks, I did receive $7 back, and then Fetch Rewards, I did receive 2,060, which is $2.06. I did have a Vaseline Ibotta bonus, so I ended up getting an extra $1 for that, so that was even better. And then the Weekend Warrior, I only needed 10 rebates. The last couple weeks it was 18 rebates. This time it was 10 for $5, which is awesome. But yeah, so my grand total for everything that I shared with you guys was $17.34. $17.34. I got 27 items at just 64 cents each, which is a pretty great deal. I mean, the Olay I got alone was $11.94. And then if you think about it, where did I write it down? The Bounty was like $9, so like just those two items. So I was excited for $17.34. My goal is always to get under 10, but hey, you know what? That's fine as long as I can get a lot of deals. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are looking for more awesome deals, I'm starting to post more Ibotta deals. I'm doing subscribe and save. So if you guys are looking at like food deals or cleaning deals or any kind of special deals, I will be posting those. So make sure you follow me on my Deals by DesignerJen page. I might do some like quick videos here and there showing you guys the deals that you can do, like on YouTube or TikTok. But there is a great way to find those items and save some money, and then I will be doing a haul. I know a lot of you guys, you know, if you have Amazon Prime, I'm going to take full advantage of it. I'm going to take full advantage of it. I know it's like pretty expensive now, and now they're charging even more for Amazon Prime if you don't want commercials, which, you know what, I'll deal with the commercials because I'm not paying more. But I want to make this year a great year for you guys to save money everywhere. I mean, we always get free Amazon gift cards, but when you do subscribe and save, it doesn't help. But I do recommend getting an Amazon credit card, and I can go through that when I show you guys that. But I just want to share with you guys, I'm going to be showing a lot more videos here and there of different things that you guys can save money on. Everybody shops differently. A lot of you guys don't even like leaving your house, which I totally agree. But yeah, I just want to help you guys with saving money with other things. Hope you guys have an awesome day. Thanks for watching. Let's get excited for some Walmart Christmas clearance. Like I said, today is Thursday. I have a feeling it's going to go on 90% off either Sunday or Monday. It could be Tuesday, but either Sunday or Monday. Last year was January 9th, which was a Monday. So we will see. We will see what happens. I did ask the store. They don't know, but I will definitely keep you guys updated. I love shopping 90% off clearance. It's like my high. I can't sleep at night until I know it's done. That's how excited I am. But give this video a great big thumbs up if you guys love my channel. And if you want to help me by subscribing to my channel. Let's make it awesome this year and hit a huge milestone. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.